Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is hide tiles without video in Google Meet. The hide tiles without video option can help reduce screen clutter and focus on video-enabled participants. Meanwhile, users with their videos off can be shown on screen if they speak. Note this option, same as other layout options, is only specific to your meeting view and does not impact what other participants see or set for their layouts during the meeting. Let's look at how to hide tiles without videos. Open a Google Meeting or create a new meeting. For this demonstration, I will be using an existing meeting. On the menu bar at the bottom of the screen, click the three vertical dots and then click Change Layout. In the Change Layout dialog box, click the toggle at the bottom for Hide Tiles Without Video. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.